In this video, I'm going to show you how I transform my garden from this to this for just 1,000 rands. 1,000 rands in dollars, that's about $50. That's crazy, eh? 50 to 1,000. Nonetheless, I'm going to show you step by step how I did it, and this is a DIY project. And if you're new in this channel, I'm super excited to have you. And if you are a returning subscriber, I'm honored, very honored to have you here. And if you find this video very informative, educational, and you like it, do not hesitate to hit on the like button. Do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button. Do not hesitate to share the video with the people that you think is going to give value to them. So let's get to the video. So start off by cleaning the place. And after cleaning the place, we did the digging, and just around by the wall and the fence and the house, I decided to do a concrete, and this was just to protect the place. So when it gets wet, the place is not destroyed, and that's how it looks like. It was a small space, and I started digging. Did measuring the pipe if it fits or not, and so I can see how much I have to dig, just looking in the space in between the two sprayers. And I connected it, started testing it, and it worked. But when I did the testing, they placed all the tools, electrical tools, they placed the bricks, and now I'm running around with the camera. Look at how crazy the camera is moving, because the guys messed me up, and I managed to put things away, and the sprayers are working. Super excited. There's progress. Moved over to Randfontein. I bought the grass. We're now loading it up from the guy's truck to my truck. There's green bottles everywhere. I'm trying to hide it. Yeah, but nonetheless, we're loading everything up. And this was quick. We finished. I installed the grass myself, piece by piece. Then the gentleman over there was helping me out, and he said we must stomp it, like put pressure on it so it stick onto the ground. Did it nonetheless, but I didn't understand why, because I know the grass was going to stick automatically. And all is done. We're running in the water. We ran the water for about 30 to an hour just to soak it up, because it was winter already. And basically that's all. That's how we've transformed the place from where it was to this, and that's how it looks like. That's the final product. And let's get into the money. How much did we spend? Let's break it down quickly. So the budget was 1,000 rands. So what I did is I bought the pipes, 7-meter pipe, one spray. I had one already, and I bought them from Belted and Rodiport, and with the tiny connectors, everything costed me 270 rand. I bought in the T connector to connect the water pipe that goes into the sprayers, and it costed me 30 rands. Grass, 60 pieces was a piece was 7 rands, and all in all was 420. I was using my cousin's car, and when I took it from his side, there was no petrol, and I had to put petrol. Ubuntu just had to put petrol, and I paid 250, and all in all I put in 970 rand. Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, you will definitely going to enjoy this one. And if you are serious about learning and investing in real estate or the back rooms, I would say subscribe to this channel. We will see you on the next one.